came to the auction. We can try to get something 100, whatever, you know. We'll try our best. But I'm gonna leave you with this right now, and I'm gonna hit you up in a minute and show you what we got. Sure, it's going to be good, reliable transportation for whoever gets it, you know? First long drive. Table, you can bring the seat up or down if you want. You want to have your passenger here, or you want to put it down and then write whatever you want, or sit, have a meal. You can sit back there and eat. It's not bad. Alright, we're basically home with this puppy. What's next is take pictures of the car and start posting it on social media, Craigslist, Facebook, OfferUp, 5 Mile, whatever. Good cool car. Now remember, this is reliable transportation. Alright, this ain't no luxury car, this is nothing like that. This is just something cheapy for somebody to get to and from work, you know? Well, there she is. You know, good reliable transportation for somebody that needs it. It's definitely good reliable transportation for somebody that just needs to get to and from work. It's a really good car. Runs and drives great, really good tires. So yeah.